for the day. Welcome to online NC class. This is Sheetal Singh and I will teach you English subject. But before going to start our today's class, dear students, first we will learn some etiquettes, GK question answers and sight words. So, dear students, our etiquette of the week is take bath every day. Our etiquette of the week is take bath every day. Means हमको daily नहाना चाहिए. We should take bath every day. Now we will learn sight words. What are the sight words? Sight words क्या होते हैं? Sight words are those we see and learn. Sight words वे होते हैं जिन्हें हम देखते हैं और देखकर सीखते हैं. मीन्स हम उन्हें देख के लर्न करते हैं, देख के पढ़ते हैं. उनके लिए हम कोई फोनिक रूल नहीं यूज़ करते हैं. सो व्हाट आर द साइट वर्ड्स? साइट वर्ड्स आर दोज वी सी एंड लर्न. गुड. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, we will learn sight words now. So what is our sight words? Trace. Which sight word is this? Trace. Dear students, repeat after me. Which sight word is this? Trace. Excellent. Which sight word is this? Trace. Good. Now it's time for GK questions. So we will learn GK questions. So our first GK question is, which is our national word? Which is our national word? Our national word is peacock. Our national word is peacock. Which is our national word? Our national word is peacock. Great. Now, dear students, let's start our class. So, in this class, we are going to learn standing line. What is a standing line? Can you tell me what is a standing line? Okay. Now I am going to show you some images. Now you will tell that images are in standing line or in other lines. Now you will tell. Good. Can you tell me what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes. Good. Very good. This is candle. This is candle. Candle is it a standing line or in other line? Is it in sleeping line or in slanting line? Good. Candle is in a standing line. So हमारी कैंडल क्या है? वो सीधी यानी कि खड़ी रेखा में है. So candle is in standing line. Great. Now, dear students, can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is tree. ये क्या है? Tree means पेड़. This is tree. So tell me, the tree is in standing line or in other line? Yes, excellent. Tree is in standing line. Tree हमारा क्या है? वो सीधा है ना? खड़ी रेखा में है. Very good. Now, dear students, tell me these hangings are in standing line or in other lines? Yes, excellent. These hangings are in standing line. ये hangings क्या हैं? ये भी खड़ी रेखा में है, means सीधी रेखा में है. So, dear students, अभी तक आपने जितनी भी images देखी वो सब किस में थी? Standing line में, means सीधी रेखा में थी. So this is our called standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. Great. Now, dear students, we have recognized the standing line. Now we will do the practice of standing line. So, dear students, are you ready for that? Okay. Now I am going to give you 2 minutes to take out your notebook, pencil, razor and sharpener. Now, dear students, you will take the same worksheet from your mama and you will trace the standing line. How to trace a standing line? You will trace the standing line from the upside to downside, ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ. As I am tracing, look at me. जैसे मैं ट्रेस कर रही हूँ, same like that you will trace the standing line and you will speak also. Trace the standing line and speak the standing line. Great. Now let's move to your homework. So your homework is do the tracing of standing line. This is your homework. So dear students, I hope you all have enjoyed my class. Now I will meet you with the new topic. Till now, dear students, please keep on learning.